Hi guys, so I am back with my box made out of a box. Yesterday somebody said, oh, you made a box out of a box. Yes. I have upcycled. I have upcycled a piece of trash. You know, what do you do with something like this? Usually you throw it into the garbage, right? Or into the recycle bin. Yes, and I took it and I transformed it into this. In this one it is also going to be transformed, and it is going to be a two storage unit. Okay, and it is going to have drawers and so on and so forth. And as you can see, I have worked a little bit on it. It is a little bit flipsy flopsy, but if I put in here, let's say that I'm having this candle, for example, it is going to hold it-ish. So you cannot put too heavy things on it, but if you put, you know, it holds. It is holding. Okay. So now, let's see what else do I want to do. I have put papers all over it. In here, this is the part that it is going to be glued to the other box, and it is going to live in there like this, and it will be fixed. But this is going to be the front part, and I have decided to use this fabric that I have received, you know, when I started to make junk journals. The girls that were making junk journals were saying, well, ask your friends and look into your Facebook list and see who could have pieces of fabrics and ask for them. And this was my biggest problem, because I could not ask for anything, not even for what it was mine. So it was pretty difficult to ask. But then I asked, and not everybody, but some people gave me what I asked. And this is what I have received from a friend of mine. She is a handcrafter also, and if she allows me, I will give you her link. But for now, I am not going to say her name. I don't know if she agrees with me saying her name, but I really love this fabric, and I love the patterns and the flowers, and I don't know how to add this one in here, but I think it is going to be like this. And then I'm going to have in here some metallic thing with a flower or a something inside. And then we are going to move from here on. And I'm going to use this old glue. It still has a little bit of life in it. And I'm going to use the entire glue. And I have chosen, of course, she has sent me a lot of fabrics. But I have chosen this one because it is a little bit thicker, and I hope that the glue doesn't ooze through it, because initially I have chosen a different fabric, but it is too thin and I don't like it because the glue gets through the fabric, and I really don't like this. Okay, so I'm having some glue, but let's see how can we put this in here like this. Yes, like so. Yes, and there you go, the fabric is stuck. Like that. And in here I would need a little bit more glue, but I will use the new one. Yes, the newcomer. And it is going to add a little bit more tooth to the old one. Like so. And this is going to be a fabric box, and it is going to be nice and beautiful. Yes, she is going to be interesting. I have seen, she has sent me a few images of how she wants to be, but we'll see if I can deliver what she wants. Or and in here I'm having a oozing through the fabric, and I really don't appreciate that, but it is what it is. So how have you been, guys? I haven't asked you. I have already entered the subject because I was like, the subject of the post was upcycling, and the question was a little bit jarring to me. I mean, yes, I made a box out of a box. What? I can do this. It is not... Anyway, how was your day yesterday? How was your start of the week? Was it as you expected it, or it was unexpected? And what has the full moon brought to you? What the full moon brought to you, guys? Was she really giving, or did you expect it different? Or you have no idea what I'm speaking about? This is possible also. And there's no problem with that. Okay, so it starts to look good. This box is looking good, but my fingers are getting gluey. And there. Okay, good. And now I'm going to put glue in here like so. And I have created this box a little bit upside down, but because I should have prepared the other box also and glue them together, and then decide how to decorate them. But yeah, this time I have, and I mean, who says what should be done and what should not be done? It is my, you see, when you are judging, you are hurting yourself. You are hurting others and yourself, because you cannot be judging only with the others. You are judging with yourself too. And judging with yourself is the most painful thing ever, because when we judge ourselves, oh my God, guys, we are ruthless. And this is why maybe you shouldn't judge anybody.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah. Yes, Maria. What's up? What's up, Doc? Not much. Why? Are you upset?
I'm just
Lazy?
yeah, probably, but
Lazy. Say it, girl.
încerc să traduc plictisit.
Oh, bored.
Bored. Okay, yeah, thank
You are
you.
bored.
I forgot the term in English.
Bored. You are just bored. Okay, now, and this is how the box it is going to look like. And we are going to have something like, oh my god, you see, this one looks like this one, but they are two different things. Yes, yes. Yes, it is going to be a wonderful thing, this box. We are going to stop here for today, and I'm going to go and work on the other box, and we are going to work on it tomorrow again. Yes? Yes, and we are going to make the drawers, and yeah, it is going to be nice, guys. It is going to be good. Yes. And these are pretty sturdy, you know. Yeah, this is flipsy flopsy, and I will decide what to do with it because I don't like it as flipsy as it is. Maybe we could do something right now. I was whispering with Maria because I didn't know, I felt that she needed something from me and I didn't know what it was. And she needed just a pair of headphones, you know. Okay, so I'm having fabric here. What should I put in here? What should it be? What should it be? It should be a piece of cardboard or of, let me this is flipsy flopsy also, but if I add fabric on it, or if I double it, or if I find something a little bit sturdier, like a book cover or something, a cover of a kind. Let's see what we have around, and we are going to improvise. Yes. So I'm having a piece of, and I will take the white one. It is flipsy flopsy also, but if I am, let's see what will we, it is not enough, it is not wide enough. Okay, put it back. Next one, let's see what's next. What are we going to find next? We are going to find next nothing. Yes, a something. A something. This is ugly, but it is going to be covered in, it is going to be covered in, how is it called? Anyway, I will do the backing, yes, and with something. But now I will leave you to your day and to this beautiful box. Yes, this is how it looks now. And I will see you again tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye.